The other time we stopped at pagina sec. So today we are looking to pagina sec. So now what do we have in pagina sec? We are still using the same book, Facile. So what do we have in pagina sec? He said di dove sei. Like if the other on my previous video, if you watch it, I don't know if you really watch it. If you really watch it from the beginning to the end, you see when we were talking about di dove sei, it means where your own origin, where are you from, your particular place, the country where you are from. That's what we are talking about. It said di dove sei, meaning where are you from. So note that we are not asking you where are you, they are asking you your own origin. So now here in this pagina set, we have di dove sei. It means where are you. So now you see here number one here you say Algeria. So now they write paese. Paese they write here now. This paese now, it simply means country. In English language we call it country. So now this paese in Italian language, you see they use a word of masculine and feminine, which is what is it called? They call it like masculine and feminine, which is male and female. So here they will just write here they write China. You see China. Then if you want to, we are talking about masculine and feminine. So this masculine and feminine, which is a male and female, their own way they used to, maybe you want to like io sono, like now I'm a man now, I would say io sono nigeriano. So as a woman she can easily say io sono nigeriana. So that is where they use the word male and female. So China now, we see the first word here is Algeria. So now you see in other way around, you see masculine. Io sono algeriano, which is as a man. A woman, you say io sono algeriana. Io sono algerina. So now you see Brazil. Brazil is a country. So if you want to say like I'm from Nigeria or I'm from Brazil, so if you are a man, you can easily say io sono brasiliano. So if you are a woman, you can easily say io sono brasiliana. So you see the other side, China. China is always China. Chinese. You don't have familiarity. The male and female words is not, they didn't change. It's the same thing. Io sono Chinese. Whether man or woman, it's the same thing. So when you see this now, you say Egitto. You say that Egiziano as a man, you say as a woman, you say Egiziana. So on and so forth. All the country like Italiano, you're Italiana. All the country that they name here, the same way they do it. The same way it's being pronounced. So if you want to hear masculine and feminine, it's not something hard. You just have to know there's difference between female and male. You understand? So the only difference there is just O and A, which is masculine. Their own words is always O. Anything that finish with O is not just everything. So like there are some things that you do in past tense, say già finito. That does not really mean is masculine, no. So any words, something like io sono nigeriana, where you want to use it as a country or you want to use it as some other thing. When there's always a masculine and feminine, but it's not everything that finish with O. It means that they are familiar, but there are some things that is past tense words. They can easily use it as O. They can easily finish as O, like finito, like past tense things. So you must not say everything that finish with O is masculine or feminine, or anything that finish with A is feminine. No. But in Italian language, maybe you want to differentiate man from woman. The only thing they use as a man is O, while the one they use as a woman, feminine, is always A. You understand? So now you say like Nana, io sono italiana as a woman, io sono italiano as a man. The same way they do it. Like if you see from the beginning to the end, all these things you are seeing, all of them are countries. So the way it's being used and the way it's being used as a man and a woman. You understand? So now if you look at this same side now, you know every page they always try to exercise like a homework. You say, okay, just let's really see if you really understand what we are saying. That's where everything is being written down here. Like Li Ping now is from China. You also Li Ping Chinese. Li Ping is a China person, which is Li Ping is who is a man. But in China, even the words of masculine and feminine, they are all the same. Chinese. You don't really have feminine and masculine. But even if say it's being differentiated, but the spelling and the pronunciation is not they didn't change. It's the same thing. Like this one, and you see this guy now, the number 2 person, I say Alvaro, Peru. Peru is a country. You see, now that is the same way. Maybe you want to do your own exercise. It's not compulsory. You must write everything they write here, but just for you to understand everything they are talking about, you can still do it in your own way to really understand what they're talking about. So this is just all about this page 7. But if you don't really understand the page 7 or everything about it, you can still drop it at the comment section so that I will still answer your question. But always try to watch the video so that at least you understand everything that I'm talking about. Okay, let me say maybe in the next video, I think we are going to start. Today we are finished number 7. The next video we are going to talk about number 8. But in this number 8 we don't really have something much, but will still talk about it. Good day and God bless you.